Cybersecurity is one of the most important and in-demand fields today. With the constant rise of cyber threats, organizations need skilled cybersecurity analysts to protect their data and systems. If you're interested in a career in cybersecurity, the Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate is a great way to get started. This online course is designed to teach you the essential skills and knowledge you need to become a successful cybersecurity analyst. Become a certified cybersecurity analyst. Upon completion of the course, you'll be eligible to take the Microsoft SC900 exam, which is the first step to becoming a Microsoft certified cybersecurity analyst. Gain in-demand skills. The course covers a wide range of cybersecurity topics, including network security, identity security, and threat mitigation. These skills are in high demand by employers, so you'll be well-positioned to land a job in cybersecurity after completing the course. Learn from experienced instructors. The course is taught by experienced cybersecurity professionals who will share their knowledge and insights with you. You'll also have the opportunity to learn from your peers and collaborate with them on projects. Get hands-on experience. The course includes hands-on exercises and labs that will give you the opportunity to apply what you're learning to real-world scenarios. This will help you develop the skills and confidence you need to succeed in a cybersecurity career. If you're serious about a career in cybersecurity, the Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate is a great investment. The course will give you the skills and knowledge you need to become a certified cybersecurity analyst and land a high-paying job in the field. Sign up for the Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate today and start your journey to a rewarding career in cybersecurity.